South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. The extended forecast for the listening area. Friday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers after midnight. Windy with lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then mostly sunny with a chance of showers in the... The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NORWeather Radio All Hazards Tone Alert Test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Today, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s.
You didn't go off.
North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Nor did you.
Tonight, clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs around 70. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday night,